Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Deep in the heart of a quiet village, there lived a curious young girl named Lila. But one fateful night, something extraordinary happened. Something that would change her life forever. A star brighter than any before fell from the sky, and with it, a mystery Lila couldn't ignore. Join Lila as she discovers that this fallen star isn't just a mystery. It's the key to a magical adventure that will change everything. With the star's magic calling to her, Lila's journey is only just beginning. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Welcome to the tale of Lila and the Lost Star. Once upon a time, in a village nestled between lush green hills and sparkling river, there lived a young girl named Lila. She was kind-hearted and always eager to help others. But there was one thing that troubled her. Lila was often so focused on her own dreams and desires that she didn't always understand how others were feeling. One evening, as the sun began to set, a beautiful star fell from the sky, landing softly in the village square. Lila, curious and excited, rushed over to see the glowing star up close. The villagers gathered around, marveling at its beauty. "It's magical!" Lila exclaimed, her eyes wide with wonder. "It must be mine!" But just as she reached out to touch the star, an old man approached the group. He had long silver hair and a kind face, though his clothes were worn and tattered. "That star is special," the man said gently. "It has the power to grant wishes, but only if it's shared with others." Lila was puzzled. "What do you mean? It's mine now. I found it, so I should keep it." The old man smiled softly. "That's not how magic works, child. The star shines brightest when you share its light with those around you." But Lila, thinking she could use the star to make her own wishes come true, didn't listen. She took the star and carried it home, leaving the old man standing alone in the square. For the next day, Lila wished for many things: a new dress, a bigger house, and even a pet unicorn. But no matter how hard she wished, the star didn't shine any brighter. In fact, it began to dim. "Why isn't this working?" Lila wondered. "I should have everything I ever wanted." One evening, Lila heard soft crying coming from the nearby woods. She followed the sound and found a young boy sitting by a tree, his face buried in his hands. "What's wrong?" Lila asked, feeling a sudden tug at her heart. "I lost my dog," the boy said, his voice trembling. "I've searched everywhere, but I can't find him." Lila looked at the boy, then at the dimming star in her hand. She suddenly felt a wave of empathy for him. She had been so focused in her own desires that she hadn't noticed the sadness around her. "I can help," she said, gently placing the star in the boy's hand. "Maybe this can help you find your dog." The boy's eyes lit up with hope as he held the star. As soon as he did, the star began to glow brightly, brighter than it ever had before. Together, Lila and the boy followed the light through the woods, and before long, they found the dog wagging its tail happily. The boy hugged his dog, tears of joy streaming down his face. Thank you so much," he exclaimed. Lila smiled, feeling a warmth of glow in her heart. She realized that the star's magic wasn't just for her. It was for everyone. She didn't need to wish for more for herself. The real joy came from helping others and sharing their happiness. The next day, Lila turned the star to the village square and placed it where everyone could see it. As soon as she did, it shone even brighter than before, lighting up the entire village. The villagers gathered around, and Lila shared the lesson she had learned. "Sometimes," Lila said, "we get so focused on our own wishes that we forgot about others. But when we share and show kindness, we can make the world brighter for everyone." The lesson about the story is that true magic comes from empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we focus on helping others and share in their joys and struggles, we not only brighten their lives but also our own. The more we give, the more we receive. This story highlights the importance of empathy by showing how Lila's understanding of others' needs leads her to share the star's magic, which ultimately brings joy and fulfillment to both her and those around her. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Josiah Colwa. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Teresa May Marie Silawan Codilia.